If you want to use camera filters on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we need to go to the camera app. Over here at the top we should be able to find these three circles that look kind of different. And if you tap over here we should be able to find all different filters. You can actually tap on these filters again in order to find all these additional options. So you can adjust the strength of the filter, the color temperature, contrast, and so on and so forth. You can also apply or create your own filter based on an image of your own choice. So you can create like a pattern or something like that by yourself. You can also download additional filters over here. As you can see, we can open the Galaxy Store in order to try to find them, so be sure to check that out. And that is pretty much it. Oh, actually, one more thing. You can also find a similar option by tapping on these four dots on the right side, and then here we have exactly the same button. So in case you cannot find it at the top over here, just use these four dots and look for this button in here. Leave a like and subscribe.